Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashleigh here, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I created these faux stone centerpiece bowls and vases. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to get started with this project, you're just gonna need some different sizes of bowls and plates. So I got all of this stuff from Target for like 50 cents, except for the larger bowl was like $2.50, but everything else was literally 50 cents. So now the next thing, once you gather everything up, you're just gonna go ahead and place everything how you want them to be for the bowls and the vases that you make. The next step is to glue everything together. So I'm just using this Fix-All adhesive. You can use E6000. I would recommend using something like that instead of hot glue so that you're able to move everything around so that you can make sure that it is nice and in the center before you move on. Alright, so after I attached all of the top parts to the bottom parts, the base to the tops to the base, I added just some heavier items to let everything dry in place. So the next step would be to start spraying my vases and bowls. So I'm going to be using this stone spray, and it's going to give off the stone texture. So for this first one, I just left it gray and I just sprayed the stone texture on top of it. For the other bowls, I started to paint them. So for this one, I painted it the heirloom white. You guys know that's my favorite. I let that dry, and then I came in and I started to spray on the textured spray. Really easy, just spray on as little or as much as you want. So for my next one, I am using the color Mud Puddle by Dixie Belle, and I am just adding this, and I did 2 coats. So this is what it looks like after I was done. So if you do use a chip brush, it's really nice because it already gives you like a texture, so you can leave it like that. But of course I want to do the faux stone look, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray that with my spray. The next one I did was this big bowl. So I used this green color. I don't remember the green, but if you want to know what it is, let me know and I can tell you. So I just sprayed this on 1 coat, and then I came back in again with that stone spray and sprayed it all around. Okay, so for the last one, I painted it again the heirloom white, let it dry, and then I sprayed it, some of it with the stone spray. And then now I'm just gonna come in with this Crackle, and I am going to place that on top, and then I'm gonna let it fully dry. And then after I let it fully dry, I came back over it with the same color paint, and then it started to do the crackle effect, which is really cool. And honestly, you can do this on the outside too if you just like that effect to create that type of vase as well. All right, and that's it. So that's how these turn out. You can make as many of these as you want. They're so simple to do. So you can use the stone texture. You can do the technique where you mix paint with baking soda and come up with that terracotta look, paint it. But once you get like your base of how you want your things to look with whatever bowl and plates you use, the possibilities are endless. So like as you can see here, I started to stack these up in different ways, and you can come up with so many different vases. So these are perfect for like built-ins, centerpieces, just some nice decor to put around the house. Very simple to do. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.